Hello yogis, welcome to the practice. My name is Flo. In this video I will share with you a breathing exercise called Chandra Beda, which is also known as the lunar breath. So this is our tutorial. I will explain it a little bit more in the beginning and then we will practice 10 rounds of Chandra Beda. Chandra actually means moon. This is why it's called the lunar breath, and the moon is associated with the left side of the body, also the feminine and the yin. So we encourage and emphasize a bit more on these qualities with this breathwork. To practice, make sure you sit in a comfortable seated position. I recommend sitting on the floor, if possible cross-legged, and we will only use our right hand, and from the right hand we use the thumb and the ring finger. You can keep the index finger and the middle finger just tucked into the hand, or you place them between the eyebrows. We will do 10 rounds together. I will show it and explain it to you first. So you would exhale all the air out. Then you close the right nostril and inhale through the left side. At the top, you close the left nostril, open the right, exhale out through the right side. And that's one round or one full breath cycle. And then you again close the right nostril and inhale through the left. At the top you switch, exhale through the right. So the breath goes in on the left side, out on the right side, and then again in on the left, out on the right, in on the left, out on the right. Super simple practice, and you can continue practicing either focusing on time, so for example 5 minutes or something, or you practice focusing on rounds, so for example 5 rounds, 10, 20 rounds. Let's practice together 10 rounds. Exhale all the air out, then close the right side nostril with the right hand thumb, inhale through the left side. At the top you switch, close the left, open the right, exhale through the right. That's one. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale left. Exhale right. 5 more on your own. And that is 10 rounds. Close your eyes for a moment and simply notice how you're feeling. Notice the effects. Without judging it, just take it in. Fantastic. This is Chandra Beda Pranayama, the lunar breath. And if you want to continue on your own, you can do 20 rounds or go for 5 minutes, whatever suits you, whatever fits your practice and your needs. And you can focus on exhaling a little bit more than you inhale. That has an even stronger calming effect on the nervous system and on the body. In this breathing exercise, we focus on the feminine, the lunar. There's also a specific one for the solar and the masculine. You can click up here to check out that practice. And if you want to balance the two, then you would do Anulom Vilom. I also have a tutorial on this breathing exercise on the channel. You can also just click up here in the corner and head straight to it. In that one, you balance both sides of the body, both sides of the nostrils, both energies, the up and the down, the masculine, the feminine, the solar, and the lunar. Thank you very much for practicing with me today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love and gratitude. Namaste.